everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to be discussing if the rubber lime walls in a sandblast cabinet like these are worth it. So obviously we need to start with how sandblasting works. Obviously this is our sandblaster we're using as an example for this video, but it's basically abrasive particles that are propelled by compressed air. So as you're blasting inside of your cabinet, of course the abrasive is going to go everywhere, but commonly, even though those abrasive particles do lose energy by the time they hit your walls that are behind or underneath these rubber lime walls, it's still an abrasive blasting process done by impact. So it's still gonna remove or abrade surfaces. So it can eat away at the metal that's underneath these rubber lime walls. So the point of the rubber lime walls is going to be to protect the cabinet. And if you use your cabinet a lot, it acts as an easy and cheaply replaceable barrier to prevent these walls from eroding away. So essentially, you're blockading the walls, putting a barrier in front of it. Obviously, you'll have to replace them after some time, but it's really good if you use your cabinet every day because that abrasive can wear and eat through the metal very easily over time. So this is definitely a great benefit to have if you're using your cabinet a lot and that is a worry for you. So rubber lime walls are obviously going to be way more important in a dry or sandblast process over a wet blast like our other line of cabinets because the process is done with impact and doesn't have the water to cushion that abrasive against any surface. So it's going to keep eroding over time. So they're super, super important for dry or sandblast processes, not so much with a wet blast. So all in all, if this is a cabinet that you're going to use a lot like this customer is, the rubber lime walls are absolutely a no-brainer for you. They are a huge need. Obviously, they will wear over time, so you'll have to replace them, but it is going to extend the life of your cabinet tremendously. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563.